Good evening, students. Now, after completing the first chapter, Circular Flow of Income, today I am going to start the second chapter. The name of this chapter is Basic Concepts of Macroeconomics. This chapter is a very important chapter because there are few basic concepts we have to learn. So now, one by one, I am going to write the point, which one will be the very important point. So number 1 point, domestic territories. Domestic territory. What is the meaning of domestic territory? First, you have to know the meaning of this domestic territory. Domestic territory refers to the geographical territory administered by the government within which persons, goods, and capital circulate freely. Again, I repeat the definition. Domestic territory refers to the geographical territory or boundary administered by the government within which persons, goods, and capital circulate freely. This is the definition of the domestic territory. But here we have to keep in mind few points that something are not included in domestic territory. So which are not included in domestic territory? Now I am going to write the name. So number A, international organization. International organization means that WHO and IMF, these are the international organization, so these are not included in domestic territory. WHO, IMF, not included, not included in domestic territory. Number B point, embassy, not included, not included. These are not included in domestic territory. Here I am giving the example, then it will be clear which is included in domestic territory and which is not included in domestic territory. So you write example. Number 1 example, now I am writing here Microsoft Office in India. Microsoft Office in India. Microsoft Office in India. So where Microsoft Office in India? So it is included in domestic territory. Included. Now next point, next example, here I am going to write next example, branch of foreign bank in India. Branch of foreign bank in India. This is also included, branch of foreign bank in India. So it is included in domestic territory. So these are the two examples included in domestic territory. Clear?